Hi guys, it's Miss Simon. So I wanted to make this video today to help you guys out with science. So yesterday we started talking about distance. And remember, distance is a measure of how far away something is, okay? On Monday, you looked at two ed puzzles that explain to you speed. So distance is part of what we need for speed. The other piece, or what we're going to look at today, we also need time. So the ed puzzle video today, guys, is going to kind of be quick, okay? But it's going to focus on time. So again, yesterday we talked about distance, which is how far away something is. But to calculate speed, we also need time. So let me share my screen here. Remember, if I highlight it, you need to make sure you put it down in your notes. So when we think about time, okay, we think of how long it takes to do something. So, for example, what takes longer to do? Watching a TV show or washing your hands after dinner? Obviously, that's an easy one. Watching a whole TV show is going to take longer than washing your hands after dinner. So, to determine the answer, we need to measure something that we call time. Again, time is how long it takes to do something. So, in our notes, please, time at the top. So, time is used to show how long it takes to do something. Time is used to show how long it takes to do something. So I want you to think about what are some units we use to measure time. So when we're thinking of things about how long it takes to do something, what are some units that we use? Okay. Think about very small measurements and very large measurements. Okay. So think about what are some units we use to measure time? Well, let's first talk about some that are small. Okay. So you should have said things like seconds, minutes. Okay. Those are very small measurements for time. But then we can also have larger measurements, which are going to be hours, days, years, even things we call centuries, which are hundreds of years. So we have very small units of measure for time, like seconds, and then we can have very large measures of time, like years. But again, time is just how long it takes to do something. So if you measured how long it takes to walk from your house to your friend's house with a stopwatch, you're going to be talking about what? Are you going to be talking about time or distance? If you're measuring how long it takes to do something with a stopwatch, you're going to be measuring what? If you said time, you are correct. If you measured how long your desk is, are you going to be talking about time or distance? How long your desk is. If you said distance, you are correct. Okay, you're going to obviously need to use a ruler or a meter stick to measure that. So how long it is, that's going to be distance. If you were timing how long it took to walk a mile, you would probably use what as your unit? If you're talking about how long it's going to take to walk a mile, what are you going to use? Are you going to use seconds, hours, minutes, or seconds? If you said minutes, you are correct. Okay, you're probably going to use minutes to see how long it would take to walk a mile. If you were timing how long it took to blink your eyes, you would probably use what? Seconds, minutes, hours, or days? Obviously, this one is going to be seconds. You're going to use seconds to see how long it would take to blink your eye. Even if you had a staring contest with somebody, you're obviously only going to be able to use seconds there. If someone's not blinking for days, we have a problem. What about if you were timing how long it took to fly from Africa to Spain in an airplane? You're probably going to use what? Africa to Spain in an airplane. Seconds, minutes, hours, or days? Well, you're going in an airplane, so it's going to take some time, but it's not going to take too long. So you'd probably say hours for that one. Which of these activities takes the shortest time to do? Eat dinner, brush your teeth, watch a movie, or take a shower, which is the shortest amount of time. Obviously, that one's going to be brush your teeth. Okay, and many of you might have said, like, Miss Simon, that's obvious, okay? That's really easy, okay? But those easy things are what's now going to make up speed, okay? And speed is what we will talk about tomorrow. So again, remember, time is how long it takes to do something, and we can measure time in hours, seconds, minutes, and days. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys later.